Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we'll see how to transcribe our audio into text. So we'll use Google Docs here, like whatever information you're writing, or if you want to give notes to students and you have it in a text form. First thing is you can cam scan it, or if you want to give it an elaborate notes, or if student wants to submit any assignments, they can actually speak, and the computer will be writing that particular paragraph, whatever you will be speaking about. So that is one kind of a software program which is present in Google Documents and whatever, like Google Docs. So I'll just show you how to use that. So in this, we'll open the Google Documents or Google Docs, and then we'll click here, and this is my Google document, and we'll select on tools, and here we can see voice typing, and select on voice typing, and here you can see this icon has come up. So this particular icon, if you click it, and whatever you speak will be just the computer will be the typing it, the software or the program will be typing it. Okay, so we'll just click this. So hi girls, you can see it is typing whatever I'm saying. So sometimes it has a lag that your voice will be, or whatever you are speaking will be recorded, but it will take some time to convert it into the sentence. So you may go on speaking, but you can't see the text on the word page, but it so happens that it records it and takes some time to convert your text into the word. Ma'am or any teacher is wanting to give notes, and she is unable to type it, she can just tell whatever she wants to tell, or she can just explain it in her own form, and it will come in a text format. So this is how you can actually tell the computer whatever you want to say, and it will write it in a text format. So you may have some what do we say, you may have some mistakes in this, because it may not be able to recognize your voice in a perfect manner. So you have to be clear about whatever you are telling. So here, so whatever you're saying, it will be showing up. So the punctuations and all, it's on you, you have to keep it. And any mistake, if it is there, then this is how you have to correct it manually, or else you should be clear whenever you are explaining anything in or telling anything to the computer. So whatever you are telling, you should be clear about it, clear of what a clear pronunciation will help you get a correct word. Yeah, that's it for today, and thank you for coming in, watching this video. And if you did not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll be putting up some more videos. I know it has been a lot of time that I have not kept any video, but this will go on. I'll be giving you all the videos. So please do like, share, subscribe, and comment if you want anything else. Thank you so much.